WhatsApp has started testing a new feature that allows users to customize the look and feel of the app on iPhone. WA Beta Info has reported that the Meta-owned instant messaging platform has started testing chat themes in beta with select users. The feature allows users to choose different themes for individual chats rather than using one theme across the entire app. This move aims to enhance the user experience by providing more personalized choices. Users can set a default theme for all conversations in the app settings, ensuring uniformity across chats. Additionally, they can customize themes for individual conversations by selecting the theme option from the overflow menu within a chat. The feature supports over 22 distinct themes with 20 different color options, offering users multiple ways to personalize their messaging experience. Each selected theme automatically applies a complementary message color to maintain a cohesive visual experience. Users can also change the chat wallpaper while keeping the theme color, enabling further customization for individual